Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with a unique video. Okay, I always try to come with something different, something new. Well guys, in this video I am going to conduct your online IELTS speaking test. IELTS speaking test in actual exam is conducted either with physical examiner or it is remote online. So students find it difficult to speak confidently when it is remote. So I'm going to give you this practice. Secondly, many students complain, sir, we don't find speaking partners. I am your speaking partner, guys. I cannot be your life partner, but I can be your speaking partner, right? So, yeah, all right, don't worry. If you want to propose me, no problem, okay? Yeah, comment below if you want to propose me. Anyways, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to conduct your speaking test. There will be part 1, part 2, part 3. You should have pen and paper with you. Lock the door, don't allow anyone to come in, and you can even, if you've got 2 mobile devices, you can even record your speaking test and later on you can listen to that. For part 1, I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. For part 2, I will give you 2 minutes to speak, 1 minute to prepare, and for part 3, I will give you 20 seconds to answer. Use the time, there will be a countdown timer. Use that time properly and express yourself very, very well. So, let's make a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your IELTS speaking examiner. What's your name, please? Alright, can I check your ID? Thank you. Do you work or study? Alright, let's start your test. Did you like studying science when you were at school? What do you remember about your science teachers at school? How interested are you in science now? What do you think has been an important recent scientific development and why? Would you like to study science in the future? Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you want. So this is your topic and you have 1 minute to prepare on this topic, and then you will speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What are the most popular museums and art galleries in your hometown? Do you believe that all museums and art galleries should be free of cost? What kinds of things make a museum or art gallery an interesting place to visit? Why do you think do some people book package holidays rather than traveling independently? Would you say that large numbers of tourists cause problems for local people? What sort of impact can large holiday resorts have on the environment? Alright, thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a fantastic day. Okay guys, so how was that? If you want me to make more videos like this, comment and like. Alright, then I'll make more videos and see without any speaking partner you can practice. I've got some more videos like that as well, so you can just find the playlist, this playlist, and then you'll find more videos there as well. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. We also offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. If you want to book your IELTS exam from your home, just contact us and we will do everything possible for you. All the best. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.